third time, this time in spring. Annyeong! So we are now at the Gimpo Airport for our flight for Jeju at 12 o'clock. And we're going to have hangover soup. So, my husband, si Ken, hangover soup siya. While ako, I will try the hangover ramen. We have about 1 hour to eat the rest before our check-in and another 2 hours before our flight. So, maybe matutulog ako. Kasi hindi ako gano'n nakatulog sa plane kasi di talaga ako yung type na natutulog na nakaupo. So, I'll try to catch some sleep. Okay, touchdown, Jeju Island. At sobrang ganda dito. Grabe, hindi ko ma-take in lahat ng nakikita ko. Pero sobrang ganda. Like, if tingin ka kahit saan, sobrang ganda. Tapos nandiyan yung mga mountains. Tapos yung panahon, sobrang perfect ng punta namin. Parang 17 degrees ngayon. Last ko chinek kanina, few minutes ago, 17 degrees. Sobrang perfect ng weather. Sobrang presko. And sobrang na ako excited to explore the rest of the island for the next 3 days. Ayan, so currently it's almost 2 p.m. So we're just going to get our rented car and then hanap kami ng late lunch and then straight to Airbnb for our check-in. Super ganda, oh my gosh. Kasha. Thank you, Lord.
Ready?
Yeah.
Last? And now?
Top, no?
The best. The best. The best pork ever. Ayan guys, naglakad na lang kami pupunta sa dinner namin kasi 4 minutes walk lang pala siya from Airbnb. Kesa magkasakyan, hindi kami sure kung may parking, so naglakad na lang kami. Ang lamig, very lamig na tolerable, yung lamig na bearable naman. Yes.
이거 드릴까요?
감사합니다.
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 Binigyan kami ng Korean menu.
Masarap kasi ako.
English na. Naka-translate lang namin lahat. Yeah.
Like yung pagtitipid namin sa Pinas. Like, ang tipid namin sa Pinas, like, kapag nag-grocery kami, around, parang pinakamahal na siguro yun. Parang 4,000 per week yata yung food na for the whole week na yun. Pero ito, 4,000. Isang meal pa lang. Kailangan ng trabaho. Matigit na tindi.
Grabe. Soft food.
Sa mismo sauce yun.
Marmek. Yung sauce niya masarap na.
Oo nga. Ito yung gulay ito.
Gulay. May kalasa nga eh.
Parang dakal din. Parang dakal din na. Seafood.
Good choice.
Pero siyang soju. Soju na may timpla.
Not bad.
Tinan mo lang percent siya.
What?
Squad lang.
6 pala. 6.
Hindi man ako siya. Para siyang ano.
First time trying. Makuli.
Yeah.
In 300 meters, speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
대부분 증상이 없습니다. 꾸준한 운동
Day 1 here in Jeju, and for our first itinerary, we're going to have our breakfast or somehow brunch. Parang brunch na rin siya kasi medyo late na kaming nakalabas. Saan tayo punta, love?
Sogipian Bakery. Hindi ko alam from.
Tapos mag-work kami like for maybe 1 hour.
In
Tapos
200
kami ng ibang
meters,
work
be
para
careful of
productive pa
traffic
din.
signals.
And then after that, we
30
have a
kilometers per
reservation
hour.
for our lunch later. And then coffee shop ulit or bakery ulit because we want to try local bakeries here. Tapos yung day 1 namin is umuulan din. So perfect time for us to try local bakeries.
Bakery
Para, not sure. Basta nag-indoors kami today kasi umuulan din. Tas for the vibe din. And then, forecasted na afternoon, wala nang ulan. So, do kami pupunta sa beach. Beach ba yun?
Gimyong Beach.
Gimyong Beach.
Shooting location ng
Yeah, shooting
When
location.
Life Gives
na.
You Tangerines.
So, yun lang for today. More on, more travels kami or more destinations kami tomorrow. So, ngayon, laid back siya. Just enjoying yung vibe since umuulan. So, that's it. Dito na kami. At ang ganda, it's by the beach talaga. Sad lang kasi umuulan. So, ang cute siguro ito kapag blue skies, like clear skies. Pero still, it's for the vibe na mag-coffee kami and pastries habang umuulan while overlooking the beach. Kaya we're so excited. Come on. Go! So, we are now inside sa Pilipinas. And ang ganda ng vibe, guys. Wow!
Yung ganda.
The beach.
Rustic.
Oo. Ang ganda ng view.
Wow.
Ganda.
Kuha muna tayo po.
Ganda. Good choices sa mga bread and pastries. Tapos meron Dubai chewy chocolate. So of course, we're gonna try it. 2 peanut coffee, iced. These are vegan. And then, jalapeno ricotta by akin. Yung sa'yo.
Avocado kineme.
And then, 2 Dubai chewy classics. Pero di sobrang lambot ng bread.
Dito na malambot eh.
Inside. Let's go. Parang siyang nutty flavor. Hint of nut. May kasi pistachio.
Oh,
Kasi pistachio.
mas lasa mo yung pistachio dyan.
Mas lasang pistachio to compared sa na-try namin before sa Philippines. Hello guys! We are now here kung saan kami mag-lunch. And medyo umuulan pa rin. Pero mahina lang. And di na rin ganong kalakas yung hangin. Tapos sobrang tahimik dito.
Oo nga, ingay mo.
Parang neighborhood siya. Parang residential area. Actually, yung pupuntahan namin na kainan is parang bahay lang siya.
Cherry blossom to. Kulay pink yung ano niya. Kaya lang hindi pa siya
Hindi pa siya full bloom.
starting to bloom pa lang. Parang maaga kami masyado for cherry blossoms. Pero it's okay kasi
Ano yun? Parang blueberries?
canola flowers. So, wala.
Yeah.
Gusto namin makita dito.
Ito yung gate, ang cute.
Dito na kami sa Summer Garden. Pakita ko na lang mamaya.
Ang cute ng gate. My goodness. Pasok kami
Bahay lang.
dito.
Tara.
Pasok kami dito.
Oo na.
We're gonna open our lunch for today. Sobrang cute. Let's go! Okay,
Paano ba to?
Wait, remove the chopsticks na may ribbon. Ribbon pa siya. Sobrang cute.
Ayun.
Unstoppable.
Sorry.
Enjoy siya. So great. Wow! Next level.
May strawberry. Ang ganda.
Cute.
Grabe.
Wow.
Dessert yung ilalim. So, savory.
Sobrang cute. Hello guys, sobrang ganda ng laman ng 3-tier lunchbox. Sa first layer, dun yung savory, like nandun yung dalawang rice, and then yung parang meat siya, from what I see here, meat siya na parang savory from how I see it. And then merong side dish, tapos sa next level is nandun yung fruits, tapos meron din ulit veggie na parang croissant na merong veggie. Tapos sa last na tier is yung dessert. Sobrang kompleto niya. And it's also, I believe, good for sharing kasi ang dami ng laman niya. And yeah, the sun is out. Forecasted na aaraw na. So, thank you Lord for the blue skies agad. Kasi later on, we're gonna catch the sunset. Yeah!
Yes. Ayokong galawin yung pagkain.
Yeah, let's try the first tier. The veggies. Ito yung kasama ng side dish na veggie. Parang salad. So fresh.
Not worth it.
Worth it.
Tawag dito. Hindi ko alam tawag dyan.
Parang siyang pork na beef sa taas. Maaraw na guys.
Ang sarap. Right ka pa. Yan. 1, 2, 3.
We're back in the car. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. And clear skies na. I mean,
may part na cloudy pa rin, pero maaraw na. Wala nang ulan, pero ang lakas ng hangin. Ang lamig. It's currently 11 degrees outside. Highest temp is 12. So hanggang mamaya, ganito yung panahon. Ganito kalamig. Actually, okay naman yung 11 eh. Kung hindi lang mahangin. Yung hangin talaga yung nakakapagpalamig. And hanggang mamaya, maaraw na. Hanggang mag-sunset. So,
Punta na tayong beach.
okay, we're going to the beach na mas mahangin for sure. Alright, blue skies finally. No more clouds. And the sun is out. And we're going to the beach. Yan na yung sea. That's the sea. We are now here in Gimyong Beach, tapat. Pero magka-coffee muna kami kasi too early pa for us to go to the main beach. Lamig. Okay, we are here at the Del Mundo Bakery.
Cafe.
Ay, cafe pala. We're gonna stay here hanggang mag-sunset. Tapos, until such time na goods na para pumunta sa beach. Yung beach is andyan. Beach is just outside. Okay, that is coffee. Wow.
Na ano, lang curious ako talaga.
Okay.
Uy. Sarap. Hindi ka na.
Busog ako. Okay, we ordered this. Ang tawag dito?
Cream bread.
Black. Color black. Peppermint hot tea. Tapos,
Mandarin passion fruit.
passion fruit. And we're gonna eat by the beach. Here's the view. Oh, so pretty. Ganda ng weather. It's currently 12 degrees.
12.
Yeah, it's
Grabe.
12.
Well, pero parang presko lang.
Kasi yung suot natin, knitted sila. Parang kaya siya if 12 degrees, if you're going here, 12 degrees, tapos you're heading even beside the beach dito, kaya siya na one layer as long as tama yung layer nyo. For, in our case, naka-knitted kami, which helps. Wah! Ano to?
Ayun! Tangerines! Nakita mo!
Guys, look! Guys, dito nag-shoot yung When Life Gives You Tangerines.
Pinost pala nila sa IG, oh.
안녕 나의 이름아 참 오랜만에 불러본다 Oh it's been a while since I let you define who I wanted to be who I wanted to be 안녕 나의 이름아 참 오랜만에 불러본다 Oh it's been a while since I let you define who I wanted to be who I wanted to be
Okay, so now we're going to have our dinner sa Mongtan, Jeju.
Turn right.
And
Be careful
ang
not
ganda
to
ng
take
sun,
the wrong
grabe.
road.
Parang everyday kaya kong mag-black pork dito kasi sobrang sarap. And hindi accessible yung black pork anywhere.
In 2 kilometers,
Tsaka syempre,
turn right.
sa Jeju na, pati pa sunod yung Blackport, which is originally sa Jeju. Pero, this Mongtan Jeju is based sa mga videos na napanood ko, then grabe siyang pinipilahan. So, may reservation kami mamayang 7, which is 30 minutes from now. Kaya, sayang naman siya yung reservation. And ita-try na rin kasi parang most people na nag-try doon, sabi nila, the best Korean barbecue restaurant na na-try nila. So, let's try. Let's see for ourselves kung talagang masarap doon.
And frozen. Sarap. Lambot. What if yan yung pang sinigang natin? One bite.
Yung sobrang nakakasuya.
Something new. Stop.
Makeup eh.
At least, oh, diba? Okay na kaya.
In 700 meters,
Good morning, friends. So today is our second whole day here in Jeju, and currently it's 6:45 in the morning, and we started our day early kasi right now we're on our way to the port. We're gonna ride a ferry on the way or going to another island. So if nalit kami ng konti, probably malilate na kami sa ferry at may iwan na kami. So sa biyahe ko na lang gagawin yung makeup ko. Kasi ayoko rin na maagang magising kanina just to finish my makeup and everything since late din kami nakatulog kagabi. So yeah, we're going to enjoy the weather today, which is forecasted to be sunny and kind of jam-packed kasi actually nabawasan na rin yung itinerary namin kasi right now hindi pa in full bloom yung cherry blossoms or yung spring, kaya hindi na rin namin pupuntahan yung isang spot. So yeah, that's about it. Nakaupo na kami sa ferry and paalis na siya niya. So 8:55, 9 a.m. siya aalis. And ang daming tao, mostly locals. So I think people from mainland yung mga turista na kasabi namin na locals.
Wala masyado international.
Mostly local sila. And ang babait ng mga ang babait na. Legit, ang babait nila super.
May nag-guide sa atin.
Like naghihintay lang kami ng time dun sa parang lobby kung saan bibili ng ticket. And then randomly may nag-approach sa amin na parang Ajushi. And then napagkamanan pa kami na Viet. Kala niya from Vietnam kami. Tapos, sinanong niya ako if nakakaintindi ako ng Korean. Tapos,
Nagyabang.
sabi ko. So, yung Ajushi, sabi nila parang may course daw yung island. So, tinuruan niya kami kung ano yung parang efficient way to enjoy the island. So, thank you, Ajushi. Kamsahamnida. Tapos, ngayon dito sa ferry, ang daming tao. So, we're looking for seats na magkatabi. Tapos, almost wala na. And then, may nakita kami ng seats. Tapos, naunahan kami.
Yung mga katabi namin.
Yung mga katabi namin, inuunahan kami. Buti ko hindi makaupo. Tapos, yung Ajuma, parang halmoni na nga siya eh. Parang halmoni na siya. Siya na lang lumipat para magkatabi kami dito. Ang babait ng mga locals dito. Kasi nagsuswing yung ferry dahil sa dagat. Wala ka makikita. We are now here in Capado Island. Meron kaming at least 1 hour to
1
explore. 1 hour to explore the island.
1.5 pala.
Tapos tinuruan na kami ng life hacks. nung Ajushi kanina. And magbabike tayo, di ba? May bike kami.
Bike.
Yeah, we're gonna rent a bike para mas efficient ang aming
Buti ba yun naka-e-scooter?
sa side tayo. Sa walkway. Efficient ang aming pag-explore ng island. So, gusto ko kumain ng black
Ay!
or something na
Black pork na tayo dinner eh.
pati lunch. Char.
No.
우리 안 보이면 간지하고 그냥
So we still have about an hour to explore the rest of the island. We rented 2 bikes. Originally dapat yung bike na pwede ako angkas sa likod pero ang hirap. Medyo malikot siya. Kaya nag-separate bikes na lang kami. Which is so convenient. Kasi malaki ng island. I mean, maliit lang siya. Pero if lalakarin sa yung oras. Although may mga parts lang na pataas, so dagdag effort. So yeah. Hello friends! We are now done here at Kapado. Then we're heading back to Jeju-do. So this is a 15-minute ride ferry. Sa labas na lang kami nag-stay taas. Kasi nakakahilo sa loob. At isa dog na namin yung view. So yes, perfect timing yung arrival na 9 AM doon kasi ganda yung panahon, ganda yung sunlight for taking pictures especially. Tapos hindi pa ganun mainit. Ngayon kasi mainit na kasi lunch time na rin. So yes, as we arrive at Jeju-do, we're gonna be having our lunch. Ito kami ngayon sa parang stir-fried black pork. Sincha.
Ha? Kimchi jjigae? 왜 lasa?
Siya lang matapang.
그런 공격으로 이 항로가 비항로를 변경해야 한다고 주장하기도 했습니다. 이란군은 적 함대가 사정권 안으로 들어오는 즉시 강력한 타격을 받게 될 거라고.
Hello friends, we are now here at Cafe Lucias. We're going to spend the rest of our time here before our dinner later at 6. We ordered drinks and some cake. Oh my gosh, yung una ko in-order na drink. Mint cream something. Medyo na-expect ako kasi mahilig ako sa mint chocolate. Tapos sabi, bestseller nila yun. Pero grabe, hindi ko marunok. Hindi ko kayang isubo, hindi ko kayang lunukin, hindi ko kayang inumin. Kaya nag-order ko yung second drink ko, which is a smoothie. So, ayoko na rin magkape kasi medyo late na. Si Ken nag-work siya. Tinatapos siyang start na siyang mag-edit ng videos.
이게 뭔가 이제
We're going to have, of course, Jeju Black Pork.
aray itong ulo. Aray.
Ano? Okay?
Oo.
Good morning, friends. It's officially our day 3 and last day here in Jeju. And forecasted na baka forecasted na cloudy today, pero from what we see, parang sunny naman. Before we go to our first destination, we're just gonna have some breakfast. So grab lang kami ng quick snacks, quick breakfast here. Sausage tayo for this morning. Hindi ako kahit ganun kakain. Okay na ako dito. Lamig. We are now here at Anchim Orong. It's cold. Actually, yung cold dahil lang sa hangin. Mahangin siya. So, we're going to go up there. Hello, friends. It's currently 12:15 in the afternoon. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Nag-lunch kami kung saan kami nag-dinner nung first day namin dito. Kasi sobrang worth revisiting niya. Like, ang sarap talaga nung sauce nila, dun sa stir-fried na, noong una, octopus yung in-order namin, stir-fried octopus. Pero this time, tinry namin yung stir-fried seafood. And originally, dapat magla-lunch kami dun sa Abalone restaurant, pero kinakrave talaga namin yon and we want to try it again or eat there again. Kaya sinacrifice namin yung Abalone na restaurant with the intention na sa Dongwon Market na lang magta-try ng Abalone. Pero turns out, yung in-order namin kanina dun sa restaurant is stir-fried seafood na merong Abalone pala. So, na-try na rin namin siya, which is good. Right now, gagawin lang namin yung mga iba naming pupuntahan for our last day itinerary before we head back to the airport. Ibabalik na namin tong sasakyan na nirent namin, and then our flight later is at 7 p.m. and before that we are actually planning to eat marinated crab malapit sa Dongwon, which is Dongwon na siya. And after that, baka mag-Dongwon Market kami. Actually, guys, nagko-contemplate ako if kung gusto ko pa mag-black pork, kasi iniisip ko lagi yung black pork like everyday. Like, since nandito kami, black pork na lang iniisip ko. Pero, like, kailan ko ba matatry yung marinated crab sa Dongwon, which is, yung black pork naman is meron naman sa Jeju, which is meron naman sa Busan, which is yung next namin pupuntahan. As meron din naman sa Seoul. Kaya yun, try muna namin yung marinated crab. So, ayan, we are currently passing by Noksan-ro, which is supposedly ito yung part dito sa Jeju na talagang may enjoy mo yung peak ng cherry blossom. Pero right now, wala pa. Parang if you look closer dun sa mga trees na nandito, pa-bloom pa lang sila. Like, nandun pa lang yung bud nila. So, wala pa. So, today is March 27. So, wala pa. Friends, we are now here at Songgu Folk Village. And we're about to enter yung shooting location ng When Life Gives You Tangerines. Ang ganda! Ganda! Hello friends, we are now here at Jeju Dongwon Marinated Crab, and so kaya ganito yung hair ko. We are ready to dig in crabs na, I don't know, I can see them right now. Super sarap. From the way I see them, sobrang sarap. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
Sarap.
Ha?
Ang lasa. Crab.
Actually, hindi siya yung typical crab. We need this. Super sarap with seaweed.
Tatlong subo lang siguro.
Dear friends, so we are now here in Busan. So it was just a less than 1 hour flight. So di na ako nakapag-video kasi actually medyo pagod na rin. And right now, we're going to have our dinner. So we just grabbed some meal in CU para as we navigate on our way to the hotel na bumaba na rin yung kinain namin para diretso pahinga. Kasi tomorrow, we're going to chase some cherry blossoms. Kasi dito sa Busan, medyo peak na sila. Kasi nag-bloom na sila days before. So, medyo peak na sila. So, yeah.